Hello and welcome from Budapest. This is Hungary Reports from Public Media M1, bringing you the latest news from Hungary and the Carpathian Basin in English. I'm Apat Szőci. Great that you can be with us. Hungary's chief medical officer said that you shouldn't get tired of the battle against COVID-19 because there's just as much to do in the future as there was in the past. On Saturday, almost 1,500 people tested positive for the virus in the country, and 33 elderly people died, all of whom were already suffering from chronic illnesses. Now, starting next Monday, people can get a flu shot from their GP for free. It's recommended that those who should get vaccinated so that they can at least hope to eliminate the possibility of getting the flu, which would further put a strain on their immune system. After authorities already found bogus face masks, hand disinfectants, and fake coronavirus test kits, now they've also come across phony medicines that are supposed to help people stricken with the disease. For about €5, they are being offered for sale online. Hungary's chief medical officer, Dr. Cecilia Müller, said that these drugs of unknown origin could possibly be even quite damaging to your health. Therefore, she recommends that you don't buy anything like that. The Hungarian government says it will continue its family support programs also during the pandemic, and by doing so, will also stimulate the economy. That's what State Secretary Robert Zsigó told Public Media Radio. He also released new information about state support for renovating homes by families raising children. Starting in January, you can apply for that state support. Furthermore, families receiving child home care benefits for raising chronically ill children are eligible for financial help for renovations regardless of the age of their children. Moreover, Prime Minister Viktor Orbán announced last week that the sales tax for newly built homes has been reduced again to 5% and is also tax deductible. Floodwaters from local rivers in northern Hungary are starting to slowly recede. Now that the heavy rains from earlier in the week have stopped, the situation should improve over the coming days. However, some of the roads near the Híradó and Híradó rivers are still underwater. The Hungarian government's official website has been given a facelift. Now, kormány.hu is more visual than ever, with more space also dedicated to photos and videos. Furthermore, its various sections have new features. For example, every ministry has various subsections, and you can access earlier reports from the website's archives. And that's all for now from Hungary Reports. But don't forget, we're back live every night after the 11 p.m. Hungarian language news, and you can also catch us in repeats and online. Please stay tuned if you can. We also have news programs in German, Russian, and Chinese. And please wear a face mask and observe social distancing. Thanks very much for watching, and minden jót.